When we took over Optimed Research 6 years ago, we recognized right away how analog the industry was. Processes were all being done on paper. When technologies were being adopted, it tended to make things more complicated rather than simplifying them. There were a lot of redundancies in data entry and data management especially. We recognized that in order to effectively leverage our administrative capabilities, we were going to need a technological solution. And at the time, there was no solution. And so we couldn't grow. And we found ourselves in a holding pattern for years, just waiting for the technology to catch up with our needs.
I'm a pediatrician, and I've been working in the mountains for 19 years at 9,000 feet elevation, where I do patient care and research on high altitude related conditions. Our clinic is located at 9,000 feet, as I said before, and we are 80 miles from the nearest referral center in Denver. There is no pediatric research going on in this area, except for what I'm doing. When we started talking about a more formal research being conducted in our clinic, I was very excited. We don't really have the support of experts, and we needed to improve our game.
I can easily tell you my challenges. Can I tell you that? My name is Annie Schertzer, and I'm the Director of Site Intelligence for Optimed Research. At any given time, I'm managing a dozen different sites across 10 states. I have naive investigators, I have naive coordinators that are asking me questions 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. I have to have access to the data to answer questions. There's no other way to do this. Optimed Research uses CRIO at our subsites to help make their work more streamlined. So they complete the source documentation, and they do what they do best by seeing the patients in their subspecialty. They're completing the source in CRIO, and that electronically comes to Optimed Research, where our data manager will enter their electronic data capture for them directly from the source. So that takes work off of their plate that they don't have to do, and we take care of that for them, and then we QA it before the monitor comes on site.
CRIO is at the center of our model. It allows us to effectively manage multiple research sites across the country. We can provide a level of service to our affiliate sites that is not normally available with a traditional research model. CRIO was the final piece of the puzzle for us. Once we had that, our affiliate sites, our remote workers, everything just sort of fell into place. We wouldn't be able to operate the way that we do now without these kinds of technologies.